Hi, I'm going to show you how to get Concord Chess running on Steam. This is the loading screen. You won't see it at the moment. It's there though. A good start is to click on Launch on Steam. This gives you some information on how to do so. And I will walk you through this too, and I will show you how to report a bug. So there are some steps here. Install the dependencies. This is sad that you still need to do this. But you copy paste this line or click on here, you start a terminal, you run it, you give your password, it doesn't show any characters, and now it installs everything you need. For you it will be a bit longer because I already installed everything, but this is how you install the dependencies. Now we go to Steam, so I'm going to start Steam here. Because if you have the game, you obviously need to install it first, like you get a key from me, or maybe it's already public, I don't know. But if you have the game, you need to install it, but you need to run it in a special way. So here we have Concord Chess. I already installed it. But now if I press play, nothing will work. I can demonstrate this by turning this thing off, which is by default off. If I press play, nothing happens, and you'll see like within a second nothing happens. What you do need to do, you click on manage, on properties, and now I'll be taken to a menu where I need to define how Concord Chess is being run. I click it again, click on compatibility. We're gonna force a specific tool. We're gonna force legacy runtime 1. And with that added, you can now press play and it will work. In this case it doesn't. Let's try it again with the legacy mode. Properties, compatibility. This should be legacy runtime. So I put it on legacy runtime again. Maybe the first time I did this wrong. I guess now I have done it right. So it doesn't start immediately. This is because of it's in debug mode yet. It will take about 20 seconds. It's basically testing the game, which is fine if well, it's nice that you know that the game is tested at the start. It's also annoying to just wait. There's a fancy loading screen, it just doesn't show it yet. Alright, there we have the game, and I can show you how it looks like, but I won't. Like one thing that's new is like the 3 new races. But what I'll be showing you now is how to do a bug report. So if I press F7, I will crash the game. So I will now press F7. There. So by having pressed F7, I put this in on purpose. I have now crashed the game. And now I will show you how to upload this, how to report this bug. Of course, this is an example bug, but it's the same workflow. It's the same way how you do it. Of course, I can play the game now again, but instead I'm going to click on report the bug and to find out how do I need to report it. Well, there are some bugs that I already know. If I click on this and I put it in a separate tab, here you'll see a list of known bugs. At the moment there are none explicitly marked, but there are some known bugs. For example, pressing F7 will give you a problem, and this is where you can report a new bug. What does help is to upload this file, or to show this file, or to copy paste it with me, or let me know what's in this file. I will show you now. You can upload it. So let's do this, and I'll just show you how it looks. Right, I'm going to create a new issue, which is a bug report. I call it test, and I have indeed launched it using legacy runtime. And indeed the game crashed, so I need to upload this file. Let's do it. There. So it was in .local share. Let's take a Steam apps, common Conquer Chess, and now it's called with the C, so Conquer Chess errors. You see I have just created it. Upload this file for me. And then you need to have a GitHub account to be able to create this bug report. And I can just check the error log here, and you'll see how it looks like if it's a fake error like this. If I open it, this is what it says. It says it's an error log file. This is when I compiled the code. This is when the error occurred on your computer. And this is the error. This is some kind of note. And this is the actual error. It shows me where it happened. And it says assertion 1 equals to failed. So this is obviously put in by me. We know 1 is not equal to true. But this is how I will see what went wrong. So with this I have showed you how to start Conquer Chess on Steam and how to report a bug. With this I wish you a very good day. Bye!